In this video, I will show you how to get Blooket hacks. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on the Blooket website. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is actually come up to the top left hand corner, open up a new tab and come across to github.com. From here, what you need to do, you don't need to sign up for an account. All you need to do is come up to the search box at the top and go ahead and type Blooket and then hit enter. And as you can see, we're going to get some search results come through. So the best one I would recommend is this one here by Glixers. What you want to do is give this a click, and on here you can see all the different ones available. Of course, this does vary depending on which profile you go into, but for example, if we wanted to use the free tokens, then what you would do is give it a click, and what it's going to do is bring up this code here, this JavaScript code. Now what you need to do is actually copy this by pressing this button up here which says copy raw file. Now after doing that, what you want to do is come back to Blooket, and what you need to do once you're on Blooket is come up to the address bar and click onto this star up here to add a bookmark. At this point, what you want to do is click onto done to add this to your bookmarks. And once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, come down and hover on the bookmarks and this option. Now from here, you want to locate the Blooket bookmark, so you can see that's just here. Right click, and then on this menu that comes up, click onto edit. Now what that's going to do is load up a window like this, and what you need to do is come to the URL box down here, and what we're going to do is just type the following, so for example JavaScript. Then what you want to do is put a code on, so the two dots, and then what you need to do is paste the code that you copied from GitHub. Now once you've done that, come and click the blue save button at the bottom. Then what you can do is come back up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and if you come back into your bookmarks and now click onto the bookmark, what it's going to do is reload this and you should get a window come up, or it might just automatically apply the hack depending on which GitHub file you've chosen to use. And that is how to get Blooket hacks. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.